These easy no-bake oatmeal bars take only a few minutes and there is a very little cooking involved. The bars come out chewy and sweet, making them a great snack. For this recipe we need quick cooking oats, unsalted butter, brown sugar, unsalted and unsweetened peanut butter, dark chocolate, milk chocolate, glucose syrup and vanilla extract. Instead of glucose syrup you can use golden syrup or honey. In a medium saucepan combine butter and sugar. Place it on medium heat for 2-3 minutes, stirring occasionally until the mixture begins to bubble. Place the mixture in spare bowl. Add vanilla extract, glucose syrup and mix it well. Add pinch of salt, oats and combine it together. Please share in the comments from which country are you watching my videos. Press half of the oats into the bottom of lined with baking paper and greased pan. In a microwave-safe bowl, combine chocolate and peanut butter. Microwave it in 30 seconds intervals, stirring after one another. Pour chocolate mixture over crust in the pan and spread evenly. Sprinkle the rest of the oat mixture over the chocolate layer and pat down slightly. Refrigerate for 2-3 hours. Meanwhile, let's make some refreshing summer drink. Add 1½ teaspoon of instant coffee, add hot boiled water and stir it. Make some fresh orange juice. In a serving glass, add ice, fresh orange juice and coffee. Mix it and enjoy! Our oatmeal bars are ready to serve. Remove it from the pan and cut into bars. And that's it. Enjoy every bite of it.